importance of physical exercise for our bodies to make us feel active and energetic.
And then it's encouraged us for our well-being to look after po. This is kind of a strong foundation for us, for our family to bond, especially po. It's not just our family to bond, but also for our church to encourage to be part of the church activity po.
Ang aktibidad po na ginawa natin ngayon ay family biking activity.
Ang kahalagahan po ng ehersisyo ay nakakatulong po ito upang magkaroon tayo ng pisikal na kalakasan, hindi lang po sa panglabas kundi sa panloob din, maging sa pag-iisip.
Nakakatulong din po ito sa pagpapatibay ng sambahayan, ng pagkakaibigan ng mga kapatid sa loob ng Iglesia ni Cristo.
To our beloved executive minister, Brother Eduardo V. Manalo, and to the Christian Family Organizations coordinator, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo, we would like to thank you po for approving our activity today. We promise you po that whenever there are activities in the church, we will always unite and participate.
Kapatid na Eduardo V. Manalo at kapatid na Angelo Eranio Manalo, kami po ay nangangakong patuloy na makikipagkaisa sa lahat ng aktibidad, kilusan at gawain sa loob ng Iglesia ni Cristo.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you very much po.